Hello, people. So, as of 2 days ago, I saw this movie called Radhe. Now, Radhe is the sort of film that you need to watch when you want to punish yourself. Like when you are you realize you wasted a lot of time, so to punish yourself, you should waste 1 hour and 49 minutes more. Because really, yeah, I mean, what is that film? Like, okay, I'll be honest, I watched that film for Disha Patani, but and she's as usual cute and adorable in the film, but keeping in mind the sort of the film, you just feel like she's personifying her name, Disha Patani. Like she doesn't know the direction, Disha Patani, the direction in which she's supposed to be going. Because wearing skimpy clothes and random songs, and why did that film get made? Yeah, like, okay, see, I'll say this, that there's this whole thing of Salman Khan, who's this cop who is, see, while saying it itself, I'm finding it so odd that a gentleman who's well into his 50s is portrayed as like this, you know hot and happening hero. Okay, good for him. And he single-handedly takes on this drug cartel. And the drug cartel has this one kingpin with bad hair, who's played by Randeep Hooda. And here the film, it's, I don't know, it's been directed by Prabhu Deva, so it's like it should have been a dance musical, but somehow it got made into an action film. It's a film like that, yeah. So I don't know. So go and watch Radhe at your own risk, because it is one of these Bhagwan Mujhe Utha Le type films, which, keeping in mind the mahol of the country right now, the kind of environment, a film like Radhe will make the real world look so awesome. So anyway, so that's my review of the film, and I'll catch you all in my next video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.